So the liberals that are saying, well, the only reason why all the conservatives are circling the wagon around Kavanaugh is because they want him on the Supreme Court. No, that's actually not the reason. The reason why conservatives are now, they do want him on the Supreme Court, and there is quite a lot at stake here. The lives of children are literally at stake here. But so we do want him on the Supreme Court. But the reason why we're circling the wagons around him is because we think these charges are bogus and trumped up. And we think this whole thing is a coordinated smear campaign because it is. That's the reason we're circling the wagons. But many conservatives came out against Roy Moore. No matter how you felt about that, the fact is many conservatives came out against him, even though that was a very important race for conservatives. Many conservatives came out against their own presidential nominee a month before the election after the Access Hollywood tape surfaced. Now, there are also conservatives who will circle the wagons no matter what. But the point is that there does exist a very sizable chunk of conservatives who have a certain standard that they do apply relatively evenly and fairly to everyone. That just does not exist on the left at all. There might be a random few diamonds in the rough who have some kind of something approaching a consistent standard. Maybe. But there is not at all any kind of sizable preponderance of leftists who are willing to apply the standard that they set on that are willing to take the standard that they apply to conservatives and apply it to their own. There are almost none.